absolute rulers over an empire larger than that of Alexander the Great, the Abbasid caliphs and the wealthier elite had almost unlimited funds at their disposal, which they spent frequently on luxury items and the arts. Besides objects in metal and precious stones, we see a production of sophisticated glass objects in and around the city of Raqqa. This goblet was found during excavations at the palace of Caliph al-Mutasim Billah, who reigned from 833 to 842. It has a simple circular base, a twisted stem, and an inverted bell-shaped body. Metallic luster, previously applied to pottery, is now also applied to fine glasswork. The body of this goblet is decorated with vertical and horizontal lines of metallic luster, forming stylized vegetal and geometric patterns, while the rim features a line of cobalt blue. Raqqa, a region between the Euphrates and Balik rivers, flourished during the Abbasid period. Very little is left of the lavish Abbasid palaces of this period. Although badly mutilated and now far from splendidly isolated, the Baghdad Gate, built from fired bricks, is one of the most striking monuments of the Abbasid period. Originally symmetrical, the structure unfolds in decorative niches and semicolons and scalloped arches. The prominent ogival arches, or egg-shaped arches, led some scholars to date the structure in the second half of the 8th century. The Palace of Ukhaidir, from 764 to 778, is located about 50 kilometers south of Karbala in Iraq. Ukhaidir was an important stop on regional trade routes. The fortress was built by Isa ibn Musa, nephew of the Abbasid Caliph as-Saffah. The complex's rectangular plan is ensconced with a stout outer wall, equipped with 10 burly three-quarter circle towers at the corners. Flanged towers, portcullis, arrow slits, and other strategic devices for defense give the facade a buoyant, chiaroscuro, and even sculptural effect, vaguely reminiscent of older Byzantine fortresses along the Syrian border. The large reception hall is a spacious and solemn space, around 7 meters wide, 15 meters deep, and 10 meters high. The vaulted ceiling rests on stocky, semi-cylindrical pillars without capitals. It is a solution that clearly recalls earlier Sassanid examples, such as the Palace of Bahram V at Sarvistan, from around 420 to 438. The particular elegant rear of the facade, with 3 rounded, lancet, and 2 blind windows framed by a brace of semicolons, anticipates a number of achievements of Cistercian architecture, built much later in Europe, such as this one here in Fontenay in France from 1118. Its appearance would have been entirely different in the past. The space would have been equipped with rich stucco decoration, furnishings such as carpets, and lamps covering every surface.